magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo for all the accomplishments that we had in the past week. Palakpakan natin ating mga sarili. Alam ko na sa bawat tagumpay, may kasamang sakripisyo, pagod at minsan ay panganib. Pero dahil sa inyong tapang at malasakit, patuloy tayong nakapaghatid ng serbisyo sa ating bayan. Bukas, we will have the historic milestone of our organization, the 124th Police Service Anniversary. For more than a century, we have been a witness to the transformation, challenges, and victory of policing in our country. Lalo tayong pinalad at sana naman ay patuloy ang magandang panahon hanggang bukas dahil ang ating guest of honor speaker will be no less than the President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Kaya hinihiling ko sa lahat, let us give our very best impression. Alam ko naman na araw-araw ay atin ang ginagawa ang best impression natin, and this is just a continuation of the things that we are doing because we believe that excellence is not just a one-day thing. It is a habit now that we are executing. Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga tauhan at ating mga sarili. Today is the last day of our preparations. Mula sa ating personal na kahandaan, sa ating disiplina sa parada, may practice mamaya-maya, hanggang sa bawat detalya ng programa. Let us show the President and the entire Filipino people that the PNP is truly reliable and dependable. My fellow officers, I know that in the midst of our duties, there are issues and criticisms against us. Sa gitna ng kahit anong issue, huwag tayong magpadala. Never lose sight of our mission. Patuloy nating gagampanan ang ating tungkulin na may buong puso, integridad at tapang. Every move that we make should reflect that we are one force, isang PNP na nagkakaisa, hindi nahati at laging handang maglingkod sa ating bayan. As we face the days ahead, let us be clear with our direction. Remain steady, remain proactive, and work hand in hand. Our mission does not end with tomorrow's celebration. It lives on every single day because every day is PNP Day. Every day, we protect. Every day, we serve. Again, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang lahat ng ating mga kasama, lalong-lalo na sa bawat isa sa atin. The latest Okta survey showed that 71% ng adult Filipinos ang nagtitiwala sa PNP at 73% naman ang satisfied sa ating performance. That is a very big improvement in the previous months at sana ay tuloy-tuloy nating mapataas pa ito para lalo nating mapaigting ang ating pagsiservisyo sa ating bayan. So this morning as we raise our flag together, let this be our reminder. Anumang hamon, anumang laban, ang PNP ay nananatiling matatag, matapat at nagkakaisa para sa kapayapaan at kaayusan ng ating bayan. Once again, magandang umaga sa ating lahat at maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.